Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to STEAM Education. We are reading 5 plus English and today's our topic is use of was were. Was and were are used to talk about yesterday, past. Was is used for a singular and were is used for plural. Read the sentence. She was happy. It was a sunny day. We were at school. They were sad. I can do it. Write was or were to complete the sentence. It was cold. They were eating. Teacher's note. Introduce the sentence on the board and encourage the students to complete them there.